Hey guys, I am Deanna, the insurance exam teacher. I help people pass their insurance exam, get started in the insurance industry if they're looking to do that. So if you're looking to do that, let me know. I can help you get started. Today I'm going to take you through the day in the life of an insurance agent. I work from home, so it's pretty awesome. I have a bunch of flexibility and freedom with my time. So today I'm going to show you that. Now quick little messages. Forgive me for the choppy and weird transitions I'm going to say from right now. They're kind of ugly and harsh because I didn't know that when I flipped from one side of the phone and did the flip on the camera while I'm recording, it literally cuts off words and it literally cuts off the picture. Just looks choppy, but it is what it is. I recorded my day, so here we go, just to give you all an idea of what type of day you could have if you do want to work from home as an insurance agent. Feel free to double tap the screen, those of you on TikTok, so that you could zoom on by this, or if you're on YouTube, go ahead and put like a 2x whatever on the speed. Go for it, guys. And then let me know in the comment sections, wherever you're at, what questions do you have? Do you want to get started? What information do you need from me? And if you're ready to get started in the insurance industry, I do help people get their licenses, and I help people get signed up with the carriers and the contracts and the companies, all of that. So let me know what you want to do, guys. Morning, everyone. I'm Deanna, the insurance exam teacher. I'm taking you through a day in the life of an insurance agent. I do work from home. It is 9:30 in the morning right now for me because I did wake up late. You know, I always tell myself I'm going to wake up early, and it never really happens. I did fall asleep at about 4:30 in the morning, so I guess it's kind of even. I don't know, and yes, that's typical for me. I'm more of a night owl than a day person now, especially, but it is what it is. But I do have some appointments today. I have an appointment at 10 a.m., so in about 30 minutes, and then I have another appointment from 11 to 12 where I will be tutoring somebody for the insurance exam. After that, I have some phone calls to make, and I get to do it all from home, but I estimate I'll be done by about 4 p.m.-ish. But even if I'm not, again, guys, I work from home, so it doesn't really matter. So it's awesome. If you are thinking about becoming an insurance agent, let me help you. Now, come along with me during my day as I show you what I'm doing. So here I am. It's about 9:50 a.m. now. Made myself presentable for Zoom, ready for work, ready for my first appointment of the day. Did my makeup, low bun, not a messy bun, leave that for the gym ladies, and put my favorite bracelet on. And I love cuffs, y'all. Tell me what you think, but I like them super tight, like death grip tight. Like, look, that ain't going anywhere, like all day. That's my favorite thing. But anyways, again, I'm working from home. I've got 2 appointments to do today, and then we are going to make some phone calls throughout the afternoon, but that is about it. And now you're joining me on my very long commute to work from my bedroom into my table. So here we go. It is now 1:40 p.m. to do pizza, and while I wait for the pizza, I'm probably going to do my nails. These are the best. They cost like $9, and they last a good 2 to 3 weeks. I just took mine off the day before yesterday. And guys, yeah, I'm going to redo them. This is my favorite color. Go check out my playlist and check these out on my TikTok shop too, guys. And of course, I'm drinking my Monster because Monster is life. Anyways, oh, by the way, look. Doesn't move, death grip cuff. I love it. And yeah, so I'm gonna eat a pizza. I realized I had frozen pizza in there. I'm like, good, I don't have to do nothing. Just put it in the little dryer thingy, or air dryer, and it'll be done in a minute. After that, I'm gonna get on the phone for the rest of the afternoon, and when I'm done with that, I might go do some secret shopping. Shows or things or whatever that I picked up this morning, because that's also something I'm trying out. That's also really fun. I go to stores, I take pictures, and then I get paid for it. And it's super easy. If you want info on that, go ahead and hit comment interested, say secret shopper, whatever, and I will share some info on that. But yeah, that's what I'm probably going to do today, but I know tomorrow that is what I'm planning on doing, because I picked up a whole route that is going to pay like $455. And guys, it's simple. You go into the store, you take a couple of pictures, then you leave. And all of the stores, like, it wrapped out the map, and I was like, okay, cool. Or it routed out the map, whatever. And I'm like, okay, cool. I can do that in like probably 3 to 4 hours. So I will do that tomorrow. Let me know if you're interested in that. All right, guys, it is now 3:04 p.m. I just called TRS. I got my information. Now I'm going to go ahead and go out and about into the city and do maybe 2 or 3 of those secret shopper assignments that I told you all about. This way, I kind of know what I'm looking for. I know what to do. They should be taking anywhere from like 15 to 20 minutes to do each. And anyways, I'm excited for that. It's not something I've been doing for a long time, but I'm going to get to go out. I get to see people. I'm not just at home all day, because to me, that's probably one of the things, like, you're working at home, you're by yourself pretty much. And while it's relaxing and awesome, you still crave that activity and being out and about. So I think that this is going to be like fun for me to go out and go do that. Plus, I get paid for it. So if you want info on that, let me know and I will give you that information. But anyways, let's keep going with the rest of my day. All right, I haven't gone to do my shopping, my secret shopping stuff yet, guys. But I did go ahead, change my shirt. I am doing my nails right now. I was going to go earlier and do all the secret shopping and whatnot, like I told y'all. But there was another phone call that I had to make, and I had to do some stuff on the computer that I forgot about. So that maybe took about 30 more minutes. And then I got on the phone. I was talking with a friend while she's driving home from work. And then I was like, oh, it's already 5 o'clock. I did not want to deal with 5 o'clock traffic. So I was like, I'm just going to wait till 6:30 to go do my secret shopping stuff. So I'm sitting here getting my nails done finally, or doing my nails. Like I said, there's one. The rest are on the way. But yeah, 5:45 p.m. and I'm sitting here getting my nails done watching this guy, Sebastian Soto. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. All right, guys, I have to give you a recap of last night because my phone actually ended up dying as I got to the liquor store. Now, I had like 6%. Don't do that. If you're going to do mystery shopping, note to self, note to y'all, make sure your phone is adequately charged because you're going to be taking pictures, things like that. It was a bust, though, because I thought I was going to H-E-B. For those of you not in Texas, that is a grocery store brand, and it's like a chain. So I thought I was going to go take pictures of the liquor aisle. However, it actually ended up being a different store, an actual liquor store next to it. So when I got in, my directions were unclear. They literally just said, take pictures of the liquor aisles and liquor displays, but didn't specify. So I thought maybe there's a specific aisle they referred to as the liquor aisle, but wasn't the case. I went up to the person at the counter and I'm like, hey, so since you're working here, whatever, what would you consider to be the liquor aisle? And he looked at me kind of like I was a dumbass, which valid, okay, whatever. And anyways, I was like, okay, never mind, whatever. And then I went around, I started taking some pictures of what I thought was correct. I did try to call the company for help and some clarification. It was already late. They closed at 5. It was already, I believe, about 6:30, maybe 7 by the time I was trying to get this information. So I am putting the rest of the shops on hold until I get clarification from the company today, hopefully. But anyways, after that, I kind of sat outside. There's this little restaurant with outside tables and stuff for a little bit. My friend managed to call me right before my phone died, so I talked to her, picked up food, went over, visited, and I got home at about 10:30, 11 o'clock. Charged my phone in that while, but I was like, I will record the update tomorrow morning. So anyways, yes, that is my day as a insurance agent. And today I have 2 tutoring appointments to get to, and I have 1 appointment with the customer. So we will see how those go. But overall, throughout the day, again, my tutoring sessions, I help people pass the insurance exam, and then I do have an insurance client appointment, and I'll be done with that at about 4 p.m. today, and I've got 2 back-to-back, then I have an hour and a half break, and then from 3 to probably 3:30, that'll be my next appointment, but again, I'm giving myself an hour just to kind of in case it might go a little bit longer than expected. So yeah, I'll be working today from about probably, it's going to be from 1 because my first appointment starts at 1, so 1 to 4. And again, guys, I help people get started in the insurance industry. So if you've watched up until now, feel free to ask me your questions. Feel free to contact me if you're interested in starting this type of job. It is awesome. You can do it part-time like I did when I started. I used to be a teacher, full-time school teacher, and then I would do this literally every other Saturday, twice a month. And I started eventually replacing my teaching income with this. or matching my teaching income until I did eventually quit. And of course, I started doing a little bit more. So if you want to do that route, perfect, I can help you. If you just want to do 1 or 2 appointments a month, awesome, it's good. If you want to like go on full time, again, I can help you.